Hey guys, I'm Shauna.
And I'm Chanel.
And this is Vegans Approve. Welcome back to our channel. So last week, we show you guys different vegan egg substitutes for frying. And this week, we'll be showing you guys different vegan egg substitutes for baking.
Make your food your medicine, not your medicine your food. A little song you could learn from Vegans Approve. You a vegan or you looking for some options that's new? Don't worry, cause I got you, this the right channel for you. Cause it's Vegans Approve, yeah, it's Vegans Approve. You want something to eat, but you don't know what to choose. Go to Vegans Approve, search up Vegans Approve. Head over to the channel, cause I got some good news. Check out Vegans Approve, look up Vegans Approve. You need some advice, they could tell you what to do. Let the Vegans Approve, both the Vegans Approve. They got some healthy tips that you might want to use.
So we have the Just Egg, the Neat Egg, applesauce, and flaxseed.
So we baked each one of these with the same recipe. We used the Betty Crocker cake mix, the box cake mix, and then just add each of these based on the recommended amount and baked. So everything else is the same except the different eggs. So we'll be tasting each of these items and we'll tell you guys which one we think is the best substitute for vegans.
So let's start with the Just Egg. So this one has more of like a golden color, like a cornbread color.
Yes, compared to the others, it has a yellow color. That's it.
You wanted more? This one's good.
So put it off so they could see like the texture and everything. So it held together really well. It's very spongy and nice. And the color is pretty. And
It tastes good. You can't taste the Just Egg.
so that's a really good egg
Replacement.
replacer. I don't think you could tell the difference. But I don't remember what a real egg tastes like. But that's a good cupcake. So next we're gonna try the flax meal. This we used flax meal and add the water to it and mixed it and then just add it to the cake mix. So as you can see, there's some specks from the flax meal in there, and then it's kind of breaking apart.
Yeah. Like, it's very crumbly.
Yeah. I don't think that's a bad thing because some people like crummy cakes. That's a good helping.
It's a lot. Like, this part, like the top from like this, just like crumbles right off.
Yeah, but let's taste it and see.
It tastes very different from the Just Egg.
It's sweeter to me.
This one's sweeter?
Mm-hmm.
The Just Egg's sweeter to me.
It tastes sweet. But it's good. The only thing is I'm feeling like the grains from the flaxseed in there.
You're feeling it?
Mm-hmm. I could recommend blending it with the water before adding it to the cake. This one I just mixed it with the water. So if you want it smoother, you could blend it, but you're still not gonna get away from like the speckles from the flaxseed in there. So it's very crummy, sort of breaking apart, but it tastes fine.
Yeah, it is good.
It's good.
They just taste different. I don't know if this one, if the Just is affecting the taste or if the flaxseed is affecting the taste.
I think the Just would probably affect the
Affect it
taste more. But I think this is sweeter to me.
This one tastes, taste this one again.
Flax definitely is sweeter.
Yeah, the flax is sweeter. It has a sweeter aftertaste.
Mm-hmm.
But I also still don't know if that's because the Just affects the sweetness or if the flaxseed, because I don't think flaxseed would make it sweeter.
I guess the Just tones it down a bit.
Yeah. Okay, so next we have the neat egg. This one?
It was very thick when we were baking.
Yeah. And it's
Putting it to bake. And then the top of it.
with a lot of lumps.
Mm-hmm. So it's not smooth. Okay, let's take it out to see if it breaks.
It doesn't break.
It held together well.
Mm-hmm.
It's spongy.
The inside still is together.
So the neat egg is a mixture of chia seeds and garbanzo beans. And you mix this similar to the flax. You add water and mix it up.
This one also tastes different from the other two.
I think the texture is more bread-like.
Mm-hmm.
And it tastes different. But it's sweet. I think it's sweeter than the Just too.
Definitely.
So I think the Just it cuts the sweetness a bit. But if you look like on the inside, it has that a bread-like texture. But it's fine. So next one we're gonna try is the applesauce. Let's see how this one held together.
Not well.
It's not as bad as the flax.
It's better than the flax, but not as good as these two.
Right, so there's just some parts coming off.
It's very soft.
Yeah, it's soft inside. Yeah, crumbly.
It tastes like applesauce.
You're not tasting the cake?
No, it is applesauce.
It tastes good.
I never said it didn't taste good. I said it tastes like applesauce.
It's a really nice flavor.
Of
It's just a
applesauce.
little bit too crumbly for me. It's not holding together as well, but I think the flavor of it is very good.
It doesn't taste like a vanilla cake. It tastes like applesauce.
So you think the applesauce overpowers the flavor of the cake? But overall, what do you think?
Of which one is the best, or overall on that as a whole?
As a whole.
It tastes good. You just taste applesauce, and then altogether, I would probably pick Just Egg.
So that's your favorite. Yeah, I think the Just Egg is also the best looking one. And the texture wise, it is the best.
Mm-hmm.
But I think it lacks the sweetness of a cupcake. And I think I got it from the others more than the Just Egg. But I think all four
Really good.
are good options. And I think based on what you're baking, you could choose any one of these. Because the flax, like in this recipe, I don't think it works well because it's a vanilla cake and you're gonna see the speckles and stuff. But I use it all the time in like banana bread or like fruit cakes and stuff, and it works really well. So with something like that, I would go with the flax egg.
The neat egg, I could see being used more in like a dough.
Yeah, like maybe pizza dough.
Or
Do they
some-
use like eggs in those?
Like cinnamon rolls.
Yeah,
'Cause, like,
definitely.
the way how thick it is, it would work good with like the thickness of it.
Yeah, that makes sense. The applesauce it has a very nice flavor. I just think it's too crummy. But all in all, I think all of them did well. But I would say in terms of overall, how everything came out.
Yeah, it's not too like crumbly. It's not crumbly. Unlike these that are now just like flat down. And like icing it, I think this would be the best to like ice. Because it's not gonna like crumble when you're putting the icing on, which is a problem with a lot of vegan cakes.
I think cakes in general, that happens when you're icing it. Because you have to do like a crumb layer first. But these are very good egg substitutes. As I said before, it depends on what you're baking. You could draw for any of these. In this instance, the Just worked best. But it lacked a little bit of the sweetness as the rest of them. So you guys could give it a try. And let us know what you guys think.
So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
And turn on your post notifications.
Bye!